Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our journey through the art of Stoic living. Today's episode is both a reflective and empowering one. Let's talk about the importance of accurate self-assessment as inspired by the teachings of Seneca. If you've ever wondered if you might be overestimating or underestimating your own abilities, then this discussion is for you. Ready to transform with Stoicism? Let's dive in. Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, wisely said, "It is necessary to evaluate oneself, as we usually think we can do more than we actually can." This quote isn't just a call to self-awareness. It's a challenge to embrace the truth about yourself, in all its complexity. Most people resist the idea of an objective self-assessment, probably because they fear that it might diminish their confidence in themselves and their abilities. Think about it like this. How often do we inflate our own strengths and ignore our weaknesses? Goethe's maxim perfectly captures this delusion, stating that a great downfall is to seem greater in one's own eyes than one is in reality. If we refuse to look at our weaknesses, how can we ever claim to truly know ourselves? It's a formidable question, isn't it? Now, don't shy away from self-assessment just because you might uncover something previously unknown or uncomfortable about yourself. The second part of Goethe's maxim is just as pivotal. It's equally harmful to value oneself less than one is worth. Many of us have experienced surprising strength in challenging situations. When faced with adversity, have you ever marveled at your own ability to endure more than you thought possible? Whether it's dealing with the loss of a loved one or navigating a stressful life change, we often rise to the occasion in ways we never imagined. So, the task at hand is to cultivate an honest and balanced self-assessment. If you tend to overlook your potential, it's time to change that habit. Look within and recognize what you are truly capable of achieving. Self-awareness isn't just about pinpointing areas for improvement. It's also about celebrating your latent strengths and potentials. One practical way to achieve this balanced self-assessment is through reflective journaling. Spend a few minutes each day writing about your recent experiences, noting both your successes and where you feel you fell short. This practice can help you see patterns and pinpoint areas where you might be underestimating or overestimating your abilities. Remember that self-assessment is not a one-time event. It's a continuous practice that evolves as you grow. As you develop this skill, you'll gain a clearer picture of your true self. You'll identify not just the areas needing growth, but also those where you shine. Moreover, discussing your self-assessments with a trusted mentor or friend can offer a valuable external perspective. Sometimes, our self-judgments are clouded by emotions. An objective viewpoint can help clarify things, providing insights you might miss on your own. Ultimately, accurate self-assessment is a dynamic equilibrium. It's about finding that sweet spot where you recognize both your vulnerabilities and your strengths. This balanced self-awareness allows you to navigate through life with more grace, resilience, and effectiveness. So friends, take this Stoic challenge to heart. Beginning today, embrace the practice of honest self-evaluation. Don't fear what you might discover. Instead, view it as an opportunity to grow and unleash your full potential. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this discussion useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on integrating Stoic principles into modern life. Let's continue to foster a community where we can endure, grow, and thrive together. Until next time, keep practicing those Stoic virtues and unlocking your true potential. Stay resilient, stay centered. I'm Alexius Varro, and I'll see you in the next video.